Hello. Today I'm going to talk about a learning path that Lynda.com offers about how to support your own well-being in times of change and uncertainty. If you don't know much about Lynda.com is a database of digital courses and tutorials that are prepared by experts in all sorts of fields. The focus of Lynda.com is mostly professional, so this learning path is looking at your well-being. It's not just your professional life, but it's your professional life and your personal life, because now things are quite fluid. In order to access Lynda.com, all you need is a library card, and then just log in from the link below with your library card and your PIN, and just search. If you want to see this learning path, search for supporting your well-being. So this learning path consists of 20 different courses, pretty short courses. The total is 15 hours. Now, what sort of things are discussed? And here's just a selection of topics. Of course, I do want to add there are thousands of courses at Lynda.com. This is just one pathway of many that could be of help. So for instance, if you want to enhance your own well-being, you can do courses on things like how to develop mental agility and how to become innovative in the face of uncertainty, how to deal with and cope with unexpected change in your life, how to manage changes at work and your workplace, how to develop resilience as a practice in life, strategies for mindfulness, developing mindful practices to help manage stress, how to cope with anxiety, how to cope with depression, and how to avoid burnout. So each of these courses, and there are more in that pathway, are very practical descriptions from experts in each field. Will give you strategies to help, take care of yourself. So if you're curious to learn more, if you want to find some strategies from professionals about supporting your own well-being, check them out. Click on the link below. If you have any questions about Lynda.com or any other tech problems, you can send me an email, mmerlino, mmerlino @prpl.ca. Thanks.